Hi, Claudia here. Today I promise I will finish Miss Aiva's journal. I was waiting for the lace to dry and I think it's ready too. So let's start it. Before I start outside, I'm going to add my last pocket and I want to put it here. And let's put it right now. So how you doing? Are you doing good? I hope you can see it. Oops. It's a little bit crooked. Let's see if I can fix it. Okay. Okie dokie. This one is ready. I'm gonna put the laces inside so they don't bother me. Okay. So now, oops, that's why. A little bit more. So now I'm going to add this here. But I want to add some bling bling around this part. And these are beautiful. I think I bought this one in Amazon. I'm gonna show you it says diamond dots freestyle. I love them. So let's start with this. Let's put some extra glue. Okay. I give to this image, I don't know if you can see it, but I give it Mod Podge, this one, Mod Podge on top, so it doesn't get damaged with the time. And let's try to put some of those bling bling. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. And let's start. I'm not sure if it's going to be there, but I'm gonna try. Oh, come on. It seems like it's not a good idea, Claudia. But I want to put it there. That's my problem. So let's see if we do it in a different way. It's like too much glue. Oh, Claudia, you're making a mess. Okay, let's try a different way to do it. Okay. I don't know why it's bleeding so much, the glue. Oh, okay. I'm sorry I'm quiet, but I'm trying to understand why I cannot put my bling bling there. Okay. Let's see. Okay. And oops, I have one here. Let's put one here in the heart. Today doesn't want to collaborate with me. That's fine. I don't care. I'll keep trying. Okay. I don't know if I should put some in the dress, maybe in the heart. Okay. So I'm going to try this one up there to put some, around the book. Because this one got good grip on it. Let's put some down here. So, are you getting ready for Thanksgivings? Really? Okay. Gonna put a couple more of it there. You see, they are all attached. Only this one is like, doesn't want to stay there. Yeah, it doesn't want to. But I'm gonna keep trying. And I think it's enough ling for a baby. What do you think? And let me close, because it's this felt, I'm gonna have a heart attack. Okay. So I think the only one that doesn't want to stay is this one, and that's okay. Let's do a quick flip through. So here's the cover. I put double side tape on top of this one, and when I do my distress, I try to push it in, and when I put the Mod Podge, I did the same. So it's very thick and hard, and I love it. Okay, so here's the first page, and I'm gonna show you just the front, because all of them has almost the same, and we have a flip through the other day, but because I'm finished, let's see, here, this one got 2 pockets, and all the signature have the same at different pages, but the insertion and the pockets and stuff are the same. Okay, here's the front. Look how cute it is. Here's the back, and now we are gonna close it. I think it's this way, and I will have it. Oh, Claudia, you and your both. I wish you would be more straight. Okay, I think that's good enough. I can put it this way. So here is Miss Aiva's journal. I hope you like it. If you like it, you know the rules. So please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Okay? Have a great day. See you soon. Bye-bye.